Yung nakapost niya.
Naka-record.
Calling all swimmers for the event numbers 1, 2, and 3. Please proceed to the ready bench 1 now. Once again, calling all swimmers for the event numbers 1, 2, and 3. Please proceed to the ready bench 1 now.
Take your mark.
Swimming in lane 8, Kay Iris Rowe from Aquatic Swim Club. Lane 2, Lexek Patricia from the East Plaza Swim Team. Lane 3, Cruz Mara Sabina from Elizabeth Cito Las Piñas. Lane 4, Santos Aisha from St. Joseph Swim Club. Lane 5, Lee Isabella from the Pinan Aquatic Swim Team. Lane 6, Braceros Natasha from Wave Riders Swim Club. Lane 7, Uy Ira from St. Stephen's High School. And Lane 8, Thank you, swimmers. Please clear the pool. Our next event is Heat 2 of event number 10, Girls 12 years open 5-meter butterfly.
Swimming in lane 2, regard your Rene of the East Plaza Swimming. Lane 3, Jesus Rene of St. Paul College Pasig. Lane 4, Chak Michaela of the Pitan Aquatic Swim Team. Lane 5, Paris Daniel of Philippine Columbian Association. Lane 6, Orduna Jorel of St. Paul College Pasig. And in lane 7, Divine Aliyah of Ace Water Spa Swim Team.
Hindi, sabi mo dyan lang.
Take your mark.
Ay, nagkakain na.
Uy! Uy! 10 second.
Bagal na ang dive niya. Ang huli siya, 20. Ang ito po, layo. 23.
Lara of Ace Plaza Swim Team. Thank you, swimmers. Please clear the pool. Our next event is Heat 2 of Event 22, Girls 11 years old, 25-meter backstroke.
Take your mark.
In lane 2 po, Anika of Manila Torpedoes Swim Club. Lane 3, Chavez Amber of Marikina Aqua Bear Swim Club. Lane 4, Rama Jane of Golden Clipper Swim Club. Lane 5, D. Isabella of the Pitan Aquatic Swim Team. Lane 6, Uy Ira of St. Stephen's High School. And lane 7, Cruz Cyril Noel of Elizabeth Cito Las Piñas.
Lane 1.
Take your mark.
This is Week 1 of event number 24, Girls 12 years open 5-meter backstroke. In lane 1, Chang Michaela from the Pinan Aquatic Swim Team. Lane 2, Paris Daniel from Philippine Columbian Association. Lane 3, Blanco Alexandra from Marikina Aqua Bear Swim Club. Lane 4, Martinez Elaine from Philippine Columbian Association. Lane 5,
Gilmore.
This is League 1 of Event 36, girls 11 years old, 25-meter breaststroke. Lane 3, assistant cheerleader, Rania of Aquatex Swim Club. Lane 4, D, Isabella Denise of Lapitan Aquatic 50. Lane 5, Louis Ira of St. Stephen's High School. And Lane 6, Community Lara Abia of the 8th Province School.
Denise!
Kate Gilmore.
Swimming in Lane 1, Dibayan Aliyah from Ace Water Spa Swim Team. Lane 2, Raguna Jorel from St. Paul College Pasig. Lane 3, Blanco Alexander from Marina Comer Swim Club. Lane 4, Veneres Daniel from Philippine Colombian Association. Lane 5, Lane Angela from Quezon City Wave Swim Club. Lane 6, Gregorio Rene from the East Plaza Swim Team. Lane 7, Martinez Nadine from Philippine Colombian Association.
Mara Sabina of Elizabeth City, Las Piñas.
Oo. Mamaya parating pa lang sila.
Kate Gilmore.
This is Team 4 of Event 50, girls 11-year-old, 25-meter freestyle. Lane 1, Valbuena Isabel of Quezon City Wave Swim Club. Lane 2, Chavez Amber of Martina Aquamer Swim Club. And Lane 4, Ua Eliza of Manila Filipino Swim Club. Lane 5, Isabella of Philippine Aquatic Swim Club. And
16.
Carlos
Very good.
Rewind mo na.
Thank you and congratulations, swimmers. Announcing the winners for the event number 6, girls 11 to 14 years old, 100-meter medley relay. Third place, we have Marikina Aquaper Swim Club. Second place, we have Manila Torpedo Swim Club. And on first place, we have Philippine Colombian Association. Dylan De Lima, C. Christian, and Adrian Tan, please get ready. Third place, we have Assistine Shika Rania from Aquatex Swim Club. Second place, we have Ong Kylie Marie from Manila Torpedo Swim Club. And on first place, we have D. Isabella Denise from the Pitan Aquatic Swim Team.
Alis!